This guide will help you create and configure an automation workflow in the CRM system to manage lead distribution based on specified conditions. Navigate to dspeedup.in. From the left sidebar menu, click System. Click on Workflows. Click the Add Automations button on the top right. Name. Enter a name for your automation. For example, Lead Follow-up Flow. Active. Choose Yes to activate or No to keep it inactive. Click Save. The new automation will now appear in the list. In the Action column, click the 3 dots next to your automation. Click Edit Workflow button. Click on the Add icon, the small green square or plus symbol connected to the trigger box. This will open the Choose Condition or Action dialog box. Choose the Condition or Action dialog box. Select If from the drop-down menu under Conditions or Actions. Click on OK. Click the Edit icon, often a small pencil, or the block itself to open the Select Condition dialog box. Group Operator. Under the Group section, choose the logical operator for your group of conditions. /OR. Only one condition in the group needs to be true for the whole if block to be true. And all conditions in the group must be true for the whole if block to be true. Add a condition. Click Add Condition to begin defining your rule. Field name. Select the specific lead attribute you want to check. For example, lead source, lead status, lead type. Click on Lead Source. Condition. Select the type of comparison. For example, equals, contains, is not empty, greater than. Click on Equals. Example. If you select lead source equals Facebook inquiry and click on OK. Click Add icon to add condition or to distribute lead. Click on Distribute Lead. Click on OK. Click on Edit. Click on User Group and select the user group that is already created. Select desired user group. Click on OK. Click on Save, and created workflow will be displayed in the grid.